Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore webhook reliability with AWS API Gateway logs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore webhook reliability using AWS API Gateway logs, start by accessing your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the API Gateway service from the console dashboard. Select the API you want to analyze. Click on the Stages section in the left sidebar. Choose the stage associated with your webhook endpoint. Scroll down to the Log/Tracing tab. Enable CloudWatch logs for your API stage if it is not already enabled. Set the log level to Info to capture detailed request information. Save the changes to your API stage. Next, navigate to the CloudWatch service in the AWS Management Console. Click on the Logs section in the left sidebar. Search for the log group that matches your API Gateway logs. Open the log stream to view the request and response logs. Look for any errors or unusual patterns that might indicate reliability issues. Identify any common failure points or patterns in the log requests. If you find issues, update your webhook code or configuration accordingly. Consider implementing retries in your webhook logic to handle transient errors. After making changes, test your webhook by sending requests. Monitor the API Gateway logs in CloudWatch to confirm improved reliability. Continue to analyze the logs regularly to maintain the health of your webhook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.